All right, so like many others, I have a T-Mobile 5G gateway for my home internet. And I'm out here in the hot garage. Well, it's not hot today, it's only 66, but it will get hot here in the garage. Even if you have this in an air-conditioned house, you put your hand on top of these things and there's a lot of heat coming out of there. You go on forums or chat, watch what people say about these things, and they overheat. So what I did is I came up with a little DIY hack using some parts that I had laying around. Let me show you what I got here. So the air comes in from the bottom here, and these things don't have fans. And you put your hand on top of this thing, and it is hot. Now, right now, it is running absolutely cool. And the reason why it's running cool is because I made a little freaking stand fan, cooler stand fan. This is one of those little USB jobbies. Cool, I think it's made by Cooler Guys. So you just plug it into a USB. Heck, you can probably even plug it into this USB socket on here. And it has a little shroud right here. And what I did is I just kind of reversed it, sucks in here, and drilled out some holes with my hole saw bit and put little vents on there so you can just sit flat. So this sits flat here like this. And then this guy here, I just turned off my internet. Hit the button, oops, and just set it down right on top of here. Sorry about that. Just set it on top of there. That sucker runs cool. You get the idea. There you have it. And I tested it. It was running warm. When I put my hand on top, now you don't feel any heat at all. So it's a little DIY hack. All right, have a good one. Thanks for watching.